PKL, Berlin Culture Lab.
Welcome to In Between Games.
Et si Berlin était toujours en pleine guerre froide? C'est le scénario du jeu All Was Must Fall de In Between Games. Les trois fondateurs de ce studio indépendant n'ont pas hésité à situer leur histoire d'espionnage dans une ville boudée par le monde du jeu vidéo.
Well, we knew we wanted to set a game in Berlin, and we had the idea that two of the iconic things about Berlin are the Cold War and the Wall, and the nightclub scene. So we thought we would put them together somehow. We live here because we love the city, and we want to kind of show that love in a way through the medium that we work in. And we've always felt that it was a really unused setting in video games, and it's a really great, interesting city with a great history, which we thought we could take as the kind of basis for interesting sci-fi noir thriller kind of setting. And the Cold War still happening with the Berlin Wall still being up seems pretty compelling.
Berlin offre un univers tout prêt pour un scénario captivant, tant par son histoire que par son architecture. À travers le design du jeu, les développeurs ont voulu retranscrire l'atmosphère si particulière de la ville.
Well, Berlin is a very interesting place because it's like a lot of contrast, a lot of concrete, a lot of, you cannot really say it's like beautiful per se, but it's interesting. There's like places where you go and they're very rough and very, decayed. And I find it somehow beautiful. I started doing is like very foundation of design, and so if you look at those, they are quite Art Deco. Those are like elements we will use maybe for like ornaments and so on. But also we want to crush it against like these rough surfaces like concrete, like what we've seen here in the clubs, for example.
L'histoire compliquée de la capitale permet aussi aux joueurs de se questionner sur des problèmes actuels. Il a la possibilité de remonter dans le temps et de faire des choix différents, un élément clé du gameplay, car ces actes peuvent alors changer l'histoire.
But I think that Berlin can be like today also like maybe a little bit of a symbol again that is relevant because there used to be the wall here, and now we have walls again being built around Europe and in other countries. So I think there is like a little bit of a reflection that people can do like on the basis of the history of Berlin. We certainly felt that it was moving more in the attention of our own mind as well because of things that are going on around us, and we want to make games that are relevant to people, that are like a little bit more than just entertainment for the time where you play, but where you also like take something with you basically after you've played the games, and that's very important to us, that we don't just entertain people for a little bit of time, but give them value that goes beyond that.
Mais il faudra encore attendre un peu pour se lancer dans la guerre froide du futur. Le jeu ne sortira qu'en 2017.